Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here right now how you can start to use the Alipay on today's video. So this is about to be helpful through what you are going to do and use Alipay or a situation that is going to be helpful through what is going on through the thing that should be understandable, about to be understandable. So what we would like to do about it, as you can see about that, browse through the products and the services, e-commerce platform that accepts Alipay. Select the item that you wish to purchase and then send to your cart. Proceed to checkout page and choose Alipay as your preferred payment method. Review the transaction details, including the total amount of paid. Then confirm the transaction to follow an additional transactions instructions to complete the payment. That is all about to help you today's video.